This little guy is Lovot, a robot that acts as kind of a replacement pet, just loving you, cuddling with you, interacting with you, and asking to be picked up. It even coos, and it has eyes, facial expressions. It's really cute, and it's actually warm. Lovot uses machine learning to learn your behaviors and respond how you want to be interacted with. If you are friendly and want to pick it up a lot, it'll ask to be picked up a lot. And if you're more of a hands-off kind of person, it'll know to keep its distance. We saw Lovot last year at CES, but that wasn't the final version. This is the final product, and it's already available in Japan. Some new features this year include the ability for the Lovots to interact with each other. So when they see each other rolling around, they'll respond, they'll play, they'll dance. It's very cute. And also the charging station is new. With the final version, it comes with a charging station that the Lovot can return to whenever it needs to charge, just kind of like a Roomba. So Lovot is designed to keep people company. This is for people who can't have a pet in their apartment or maybe are allergic and just want a friendly face to welcome them when they come home. One of the improvements for the consumer version of Lovot is the app. So the app allows you to track your Lovot, interact with it, change its appearance. You can change its eyes. And you can actually watch what it's been doing when it wakes up. You can see a calendar of its whole life and how it's been playing with you and interacting around your house. The app also shows you a 3D map of your house. It's a vague outline, and it'll show you where the Lovot is, even if you're on the road. So for now, there's no word on when or if this is even going to come to the US, but Groovex is looking for investors now. That's why they're at CES. I agree. It would be very nice if you came to the US, yes. But that's it from the cutest robot at CES 2020. Follow Engadget.com for all the latest tech news.